The train now standing at platform 2 is the 2308 Stepford Express, service to Benton. Calling at Benton only. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train. Your attention, please. The 2327 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Benton. The next station will be Benton.
Does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge.
We will shortly be arriving at Benton. Change here for trains to Connolly, Esterfield, Greenslade, Leighton City, Morganstown, Newry, Port Benton, and Airport Terminal 2. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please.
St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is Benton. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.